Welcome to the world of Metaverse. The reason you click on this video is either you are completely new in the world of NFT and Metaverse or you are Metaverse enthusiast. In both the cases, I would highly encourage you to watch this entire video. In this video, I will provide you how to invest in the land of Sandbox Metaverse. Before we move ahead, I would highly encourage you to check other videos on my channel based on Metaverse. For example, if you want to learn how to invest in the Metaverse, check this video. In this video, I have explained what is Metaverse, what is not Metaverse, and 4 ways to invest in Metaverse. You might also like to check out this video, Buying Virtual Land in the Metaverse, Complete Beginner's Guide. In this video, I have explained in detail how you can get started investing in virtual land of Metaverse, and tips to keep in mind before buying land in the Metaverse. If you want to work in the field of Metaverse and looking for job or freelancing work, watch this video. Links are in the description box below. I'm sure you will learn something new about Metaverse. And yes, also consider follow me on Twitter. The link for the Twitter is also in the description box below. Moving on, let's come to the main topic of the video. What is Sandbox? The Sandbox is the gaming virtual world built on the Ethereum blockchain where players can build their own gaming experience and monetize it. Thus, it's very similar to the Decentraland as it is also a user-generated content that can be monetized. The Sandbox feel is similar to Minecraft, so anyone who is familiar with Minecraft will enjoy this new metaverse world. Speaking of Sandbox, let's understand the little background of Sandbox. The Sandbox is best known for its 2 successful mobile hits, the Sandbox 2011 and the Sandbox Evolution 2016. Which combined generated 40 million downloads across iOS and Android. In 2018, developer-publisher PixOwl decided to bring this successful user-generated content gaming IP and a large community of creators from mobile to blockchain ecosystem. The goal was to disrupt existing game makers like Minecraft and Roblox by providing creators with true ownership with their creations as non-fungible tokens NFTs and rewarding them for their participation in the ecosystem. Now let's understand what is the key foundation technology that Sandbox functions on. The Sandbox blockchain gaming platform consists of 3 integrated products. Together, they provide comprehensive experience for user-generated content production. The combined products further benefit users by allowing them to secure copyright ownership for their user-generated content through blockchain and smart contracts. These 3 integrated products are Voxel Editor, Marketplace, Game Maker. Vox Edit, short for Voxel Editor. It is a simple to use yet powerful free 3D voxel modeling and NFT creation package for PC, Mac that allows users to create and animate 3D objects such as human, animals, vehicle, foliage, tools and items. Voxels, which are square 3D pixels similar to building blocks, can be manipulated using Vox Edit to quickly create beautiful creation. Once built object can be exported from Vox Edit into the Sandbox marketplace to become NFT game assets. The next product is the Sandbox NFT marketplace. This allows users to upload, publish and sell their NFT creations made with Vox Edit. Creations are first uploaded into IPFS network to provide decentralized storage and then register onto the blockchain to prove ownership. Once this is accomplished, creation becomes assets and that can be sold by making an initial sale offer on the marketplace, where potential buyer can then purchase them. The third integrated product is the Sandbox Game Maker, which allows anyone to build amazing 3D games for free. No coding is required thanks to accessible visual scripting tool to create stunning 3D games in minutes. Creators like you contribute to a vast metaverse filled with wide range of amazing interactive creations and experiences. Blockchain-based game platform. The Sandbox uses several token types to ensure circular economy between all types of users who will interact with the platform: players, creators, curators, and landowners. SAND, the ERC20 token used within the sandbox as the basis for all ecosystems, transactions, and interactions. Land, a digital piece of real estate in the Sandbox Metaverse. Players buy land in order to populate it with the games, assets, and interactive experiences. Each land is a unique, non-fungible token lying on the public Ethereum blockchain, ERC721. Assets, a token created by players who build, assemble user-generated content and can be traded on the marketplace, with their main utility being to serve as a creative elements in the sandbox game maker. Moving on, we will talk about buying land in the metaverse and the factors to consider before buying land in the sandbox. But before that, I have disclaimer. I am not financial advisor / expert. None of this means to be construed as investment advice. It is for entertainment purpose only. The views I share in this video are speculative opinions and do not guarantee any type of result. Crypto, NFT, metaverse are extremely volatile. Do not rely on someone else's advice. Please do your own research and make your own decision. Consult with certified financial expert before making any investment decision. Now let's talk about key factors to keep in mind while buying land in the metaverse. This is important. These key factors are location, size, and popularity of game/platform. This is pretty much similar to buying land in the real world. Location. When we choose to buy a land in the physical world, we always ensure that the location must be in or at least nearby to the prominent areas of the city, ensuring there are enough amenities nearby like school, colleges, daycare centers, gyms, restaurants. Generally, more amenities a certain area has, the more crowded it is. If there are more people in certain areas, the businesses comes to that place to attract as many footfalls as possible. Similarly, in the metaverse, you must consider what are the key areas that will attract more traffic. The obvious answer to that would be places that has popular experiences or areas where famous personalities bought the land. For example, Snoop Dogg bought a land in the metaverse and it named Snoopverse. Recently, someone paid $450,000 in Ethereum to buy land next to the Snoopverse. This individual is now neighbor of Snoop Dogg in the metaverse. Therefore, number of people visiting Snoopverse compared to other parts of metaverse will be higher in number. Naturally, this individual will benefit from Snoop Dogg's popularity, and any experiences that is being created and monetized on his land will be profitable venture. Size. Now, the size does matter. Let me be clear upfront. The next factor you must consider before investing in land is size. By logic, if you have bigger space, probably you will able to serve large number of people. Smaller the space, fewer the people will be served. The amount of experience that you can build will be more in numbers in that big space. Or you can build one big experience at a humongous level. One way or the other, you will be standing out from the rest of the experiences in the metaverse. Game/platform popularity. The next factor one must consider before investing in land is game/platform popularity. It only makes sense to invest in the land of that game/platform in metaverse, which is more popular with the abundance of users flocking to that virtual world. The more users it has, the more value will be held by its assets, including land, in the metaverse. One must always pay attention to the growth of these game/platforms in order to grab the right opportunity. I hope you have got some value from this video and maybe it helped increase your knowledge about metaverse. If you really benefited from this video, I would highly encourage you to like and share this video with your friends and family. and also consider subscribing to this channel. Until then, I will see you right here next time.